Ndewono, hello. No, welcome. My name is Ifi Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I'd like to share some of the misconceptions around teaching kids Igbo. The first misconception is that they're too young. No, kids are never too young to learn a new language or to learn the Igbo language. Studies have actually shown that pregnant mothers who begin to talk or sing to their babies while the baby is in the womb actually helps with speech and language development. The second misconception is that they'll be confused, that if they learn more than one language at the same time, that they'll be confused. Again, that's a misconception. Kids can learn as many languages as possible when they're young. They can learn a few languages at the same time when they're young, and it helps also with speech and language development. There's no pressure. Start easy. Just talk to them in the Igbo language and they'll understand. Jisike, keep trying. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Gamasir, goodbye.